Hello, guys. I'm Tahir Aziz from Sky Business Solutions. I hope you all are doing well. And today's video is gonna be about how to make money online, offline, and at home. I've got a lot of emails from you guys that make a video how to make money online, offline from home. So, guys, this video is all about making money, a lot of money. In our previous video, we have talked about Amazon and how to build your business, how to start up from scratch, and all the strategies. You can watch, the link is in the description in the I button. So guys, let's get started. Make money with a side gig and learn how long it will take to see the extra income, whether it's freelancing, online, driving passengers, or selling your stuff. So today I'm going to tell you 25 ways to make money from home, online or offline. Let's get started. If you want to make money but you are not sure where to start, don't worry, I've got you covered. And you are not alone. More than one quarter, 27% of Americans and 63% people, freelancers around the world, earn extra income from side gigs. Last year, according to the report on the economic well-being of US household, I live in US, that's why I'll talk about US 2021 by the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System in US. NerdWallet rounded up 25 made ways to make money at home or out and about, and listed each options based on how fast you can get started and get paid. While most people prefer fast cash, don't discount the slow gigs as they may pay more in the long run. So guys, I'll cover it in 3 points. The first point is how to make money online. Second point will be how to make money from home. And the third point will be how to make money offline. So making money online in the sweet spot, people look for the gig economy. Whether you aspire to be six-figure social media influencer or are just looking to supplement your regular income with some interest gigs, we have found some viable options. Pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelancer jobs such as writing, programming, designs, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. VA. Fluent in a second language, check sites such as Jingo or 1 Hour Translations or Drama's Business through a site of your own. No matter what kind of freelancing you do, keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you provide, so you know if you are charging too much or too little. The total time, I think it can take a while to get your first gig, and it would take 24 hours setting up your gig. If you have the expertise, and you can start anytime, and you will get payment varies by site. The number two way is test websites and apps. Software tester. Another way to make money from home is on site like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well or not so well certain websites and apps worked. You will have to pass a short test to be accepted. Then you will be paid $10 for each 20 minutes test, which involves a recording and answering 4 follow-up written questions. Or you could earn up $120 to participate in a video conversation with a customer after your test. The total time it would take, approval time can vary, and setup can take less than an hour. If you have the tech gears and complete a sample test, then you can start. You are ready to start. Number 3 is pick up tasks on Amazon Mechanical Turk. Even in the age of automation, some jobs still require a human touch. Companies often outsource those jobs via services like Amazon Mechanical Turk as a worker. So even in the age of automation, some jobs still require a human touch. Companies often outsource those jobs via services like Amazon Mechanical Turk. As a worker, the tasks you will be assigned can be tedious: tagging images, transcribing videos, classifying receipts, and can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Temporary employers or requesters set the price for each task and get to approve the finished products before paying you. That can leave room for scams, so do your research. Join a community like the M-Turk crowd forums or the M-Truck and Turkers Nations subordinates which can steer you away from shifty dealers. So these communities and fellows workers can answer questions and give a realistic ideas of how much money you can expect to make. So guys, my fourth point is take service for money. You can make money from home by taking online surveys, but don't expect to be rolling in the dough. Survey sites don't typically offer a big payoff, and make sites are more useful for earning gift cards, the cash. Some of more popular survey sites including Swagbucks and Survey Junkies to find out which one is the best suited for you. My fifth way is make money from your blog as an affiliate. All of you guys, 90% of you have heard about affiliate, and you, of course, you guys knows about obviously that what is affiliated marketing and what is affiliate actually. If you are a blogger who gets decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliates lets you get uh, paid when someone click through from the website to the partner site and buy something there. Some bloggers make a lot of money this way, so you can start it up. My sixth way is sell your wares on ETSY. I have told you about ETSY in my previous Amazon video. You can check the link below in the description. Have a penchant for woodworking, jewelry making, embroidery, or poetry. Sell your goods on ETSY, the go-to site for artisans selling home goods, art and knickknacks. ETSY boasts almost 82 billion active buyers and grossed over 10 billion in merchandise sales in 2021 according to the website. I'll give the link in the description, you can check it out. So guys, my seventh way is get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel, and believe me, this is my personal and my favorite point. So turn your cat videos into cash videos. If your YouTube video or blog post draw a big audience, you may be able to make money from advertising. With Google AdSense, business pay to advertise around your content. The service is free, but there are requirements you must meet. My eighth way is become an Instagram influencer. I think you all have Instagram. You all are uploading your images and short videos, a lot of stuff on Instagram every day. Companies are using Instagram influencers, people with large dedicated following on the platform to rep their products. Companies are using Instagram influencers, people with large dedicated following on the platform to rep their products. You can get in on the action by applying for opportunities while a marketing platform like Open Influencer or Aspire IQ, or by contacting the brands you want to work with. So guys, my ninth point is monetize your Twitch channel. A lot of you guys have an account on Twitch, and gaming could be a way to make money from home if you have a steady following on Twitch, the go-to site for gamers. Broadcasters can receive donations from viewers and even get a share of subscription and ad revenue if they reach affiliate or partner status. So my 10th way is sell your photography. Turn your photographs into cash via sites like Fine Art America, which lets you upload your images to sell as prints, t-shirt, phones, cases, and more. Other marketplaces for photographers include SmugMug, 500 packs, and photo shelters. Some sites require subscriptions but may provide features ranging from good storage to password protected galleries and customized websites. My 12th point is sell unused gift cards, and that is more easy way actually. Make extra money by selling unused gift cards on a site like Card Cash or Gift Cash. These websites say they will pay you up to 92% of the card's value. On Card Cash, you can also trade in your card for one you will use. My 13th way is list your spare bedroom on Airbnb. Renting out your home or spare bedroom or on vacations, rental sites is another way to make extra money. Be prepared to spend some money to clean and keep up the property, replace home goods, and pay towards service fee. And scrutinize your rental agreement before you get started. The 15th way is trade in old phones, electronics for cash. Have an old phone's iPad or gaming system lying around. Sell it on a site like Swappa or Gazelle. Check out Amazon Trade-in Program, which pays participant in Amazon gift cards and eBay. If you are in a rush, try an Eco ATM kiosk, which offers cash on the spot for your devices. My 16th way is get a babysitter gig. Everyone from college students to recent retirees can make money by watching other people children. Word of mouth from friends and family are still a great way to get started, but you can also create a profile for free on care.com or Sitter City to expand your reach. Any specialized skills such as CPR certification to make yourself more marketable. The 17th way is rent out your car. City dwellers often don't use their cars for days or week at a time. That idle time can translate to extra money with services like Get Around and Turo, which lets you rent out your car by the hour or day. You take home the majority of those earnings, while Get Around or Turo takes a cut of protecting your cars while it's being rented. My 18th way is sign up for TaskRabbit. If you're actually enjoying putting together IKEA furniture or standing in long lines, you may be cut out for doing tasks for others. Websites like TaskRabbit can connect you with people who need helps with a variety of things, such as moving, cleaning, delivery, and handyman services. The site also offers several virtual and online tasks, such as helping with a research project or data entry. So, guys, my 19th way is become a private tutor. Parlay your math, science, foreign language, or test prep expertise into a lucrative side gig by becoming a private tutor. You can tutor people online or in person. What you charge can depend on your experience, expertise, and what's in demand. To get started, see what type of tutor are needed on Craigslist or create a profile on sites like tutor.com or care.com. You can also advertise your services at local schools and community centers, and you can use Facebook as well. So, guys, my 20 ways 20 drive for Uber or Lyft. Join Uber or Lyft or both and make money by driving passengers around. Just don't forget to factor in gas and maintenance cost. You need an eligible car, is good conditions, and must agree to a background checks and a review of your driving history. My 21st point is make deliveries for Amazon, Uber Eats. Take advantage of the growing deliveries trend and sign up for a service like Instacart, Uber Eats, Postmates, DoorDash, or Amazon Flex. You get paid per delivery in most cases and can even earn tips. A car isn't always required, right? Postmates and in some cities, DoorDash lets you use a bike or scooter to make deliveries. However, background checks almost always is part of the deal. So, guys, my 22nd way is find work as a house sitter. If you are willing to watch someone's home and maybe feed the pets, water the plants, and take out the garbage, become a house sitter. Tap your personal network for referrals or try out housesitters.com, which connects homeowners with house sitters. People often make I think $25 to $55 a day according to the company's websites. You can check the description. So, guys, my 23, sign up to be a mystery shopper. Businesses often want to know how they are performing from a customer's perspective. Sign up to be their eyes and ears. You can apply online websites like IntelliShop and Bestmark, Sinclair Customer Metrics. Just beware of scam and do through research before signing on. So, guys, my 24th way is find seasonal work. Need a gig for a few months, right? So try something seasonal like being a lifeguard or shoveling snow or working at a retailer during the holidays. Employees typically staff up a month or two before their busy seasons, so plan ahead to get on their payroll and check storefront windows, Craigslist, and local classifier for seasonal opportunities. My 25th and last way is put your drone to work. I know a lot of you guys don't have a drones, but you can buy, because China is actually selling a very cheap drones and it's available in all markets in every country. So the market for drones is expanding. Companies hire out work like aerial inspection, photography, and land mapping. You are actually already a drone enthusiast. Why not make extra money with your aircraft? You first need to register it with the Federal Aviation Administration and obtain certification from them for the commercial use. Then you can apply for gigs as a drone pilot. And believe me, it would 100% work for you. Least but not last, watch out for making money scams. Guys, this internet is actually full of opportunities to make money online or from home, but many are questionable, if not outright scams, but vary of any opportunities that ask for an upfront fee, wants you to pay for certification or request your social security number or any financial information such as your credit card numbers. So still unsure if an opportunity is legit or not, look for community forums like those on Reddit for unfiltered reviews and complaints. Works on TaskRabbit, Uber, and Lyft, for example, each have their own subreddit. So also check if the companies have a better business bureau profiles and assigns rating based on reported complaints, business transparency, and other factors. Monitor your money during trying times. If you are facing financial anxiety, NerdWallet can find ways to save. So see you in my next lecture. Thank you so much.